Just going to give you a little overview here of the roadmap, just a sneak peek. I'm going to scroll down and you'll see each category there, like stage 1, your foundation, stage 2, your automation, stage 3, driving your traffic, stage 4, build your offer, and then we go here, stage 5, scale with custom service. So there's a lot of modules, but if I go up to the side here, I'm just going to go to the side. I'm going to pull up this little thing here. Okay, so when I go down, within each stage, it's broken down like this, right? And then if you actually click on each module, it's going to have a whole bunch. That's how it turns into 32 hours of information and over 350 videos, because in each stage are several modules, and within each module are several other modules. So you can see how it really adds up to a lot of information. So say I click on one like this. So it's a lot of information in here, and it's all laid out very clearly to help you. So yeah, if you are thinking of taking the roadmap, it is a heck of a lot of ground to cover. It's taken me about a month to get it through because I am being so thorough, and I'm also helping my other current business. But I just thought I would show that to you just so you can get an idea of how much information there is in here. Everything from teaching you driving traffic, sales funnels, email automation, how to build your own digital products. So anyway, if you have any questions about that, it is in my store, or you can reach out to me and ask me anything you need to know about the roadmap. And I hope that little overview has given you some idea of how much information there is.